What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube Barber Academy. Now today, I decided that I'm gonna take my one wheel all the way to work. Now it turns out, I'm 11.5 miles away in some fairly heavy traffic, and yeah, it went pretty smooth, but you'll see. So, all right, you guys, let's start the video.
All right, you guys, I said that I would do this eventually. I'm leaving an hour early for work, and I gotta travel 12 miles to get to work, all right? And since I bought this one wheel, I've been thinking about trying it. So there's my one wheel, foot pad all fixed up. I've gotten pretty damn good at riding this thing. So I'm not really worried about the riding itself. It's just crossing some of these intersections are what's gonna make me nervous. So yeah, yo, I'm gonna actually try to ride this thing to work. I mean, I know my feet are gonna be killing me because I learned one thing about these shoes. These are Air Force Ones. And they're not very comfortable. I don't know what this wind noise is gonna be like, so for that, I'm sorry. And yes, I am wearing a purse. Okay, it's beeping at me. It's telling me to slow the hell down. I don't really know how to keep this thing at one like solid speed, and I definitely don't want to push it so hard that it crashes. So I'm still not even out of my neighborhood, and my feet are already feeling a little bit sore. Okay, so being this is like my first time doing this, I'm trying my best to find ways to like avoid the traffic. So far, I managed to go around an awful lot. But we're gonna have to cross some pretty sizable intersections in this ride, and that means I also got to like hop down a curb too. So I'm kind of nervous about that. Like I'm noticing that this curb's like right here. So I'm gonna get off for a second. It'd be a lot better if I was better at this, but I'm not. So I'm not. All right, we gotta cross the first intersection. All right, we're cruising. We're gonna pass the fire station here in a minute. But the good news is, I think I can get up on this sidewalk now. I do this on my dirt bike all the time. Let's see if I can cut through this grass. Okay. Fire station, y'all. North Naples' finest. All right, so we're good. I got a nice sidewalk here, and I know I can stay on this sidewalk for almost half of the journey before I gotta actually cross this sidewalk and do anything dangerous. So far so good. I got an app, and the app can kind of show me exactly how far this trip's gonna be, what my average speed is. Yo, I gotta be at work at 9:30. My first client's at 9:30, and I'm giving myself an hour to travel 12 miles. So if I can maintain a speed of 12 miles an hour or greater, which I'm really trying to go a little faster, I should be all right. And my theory with the traffic was there's so much fucking traffic here that I thought that sometimes this might actually be faster. All right, y'all, when we get to the next main intersection, okay, we got cars coming in. It's time to take your life away, boy, let's go. Oh, we made it. All right, this was a little intersection. That's a teeny tiny intersection. And already, my front foot's like on fire. I gotta try to find a way to relax the pump a little bit. Like I feel, when you ride dirt bikes, especially in the state of Florida on sugar sand, you get such a pump in your arms, man. Like you feel like you need to control every bit of it. And the truth is, you gotta just let your arms go, and you gotta let the bike go wherever it wants to go. Like, otherwise you're not gonna be riding very long when you're death gripping it. So I feel like that's what I'm doing with my feet a little bit on this ride. And I'm not an experienced one-wheel rider, y'all. I am not an experienced rider by any means. We got a long ass trip to work. This is the first time I ever done something like this. I've never even ridden really outside of my neighborhood. This is the first time. So hopefully we arrive safe. Okay, I'm going 17, 18 miles an hour on my app. I think it's scary when you go too fast. Okay, y'all, I just passed the horse. Wish I would have got it, but like I said, I ain't got time. But I think I'm catching up on a guy on a bicycle. So this should actually be kind of funny. So far, I still got like a 20-mile range, a 25-mile range. So I guess it could go 30 miles. All right, we got a little situation here. This person go. All right, good. Because my feet are so numb, I don't know if I can stop. I don't want to get wet. F***ing sprinklers are on. I don't think I'm saving time today though, because to be honest, the traffic looks really light. I would have been to work like a while ago, probably. We're back. We're back, baby. Oversized. We're coming up on the biggest moment of the trip so far, really. I'm nervous about this, because I gotta cross this big street. Holy shit, I almost fell. I gotta cross this big street, and I guess I gotta do it about right here. This looks like about the safest place. So, I'm gonna actually just hop off. All right, we're gonna walk it. I'm walking. This is so dumb. All right, you know what? I'm riding. Fuck this. Oh, we better go quick. We got cars coming. Look. This is a 50-mile-an-hour street, too. For someone who has no idea what they're doing. That was not very smart. But this shit weighs like 50 pounds. I'm not going to carry it. But good news is, I got a bike path to ride almost the rest of the whole way. How am I doing on time? It's 9 o'clock. I got a half hour to make it the rest of the way, and I'm not sure if I'm halfway or not. Whew. My feet are hurting. My feet are hurting. I wish when I got to work I got a minute to sit, but I'm not gonna. Maybe I should go live. I'm not sure if this makes the trip any safer, but this wooden bridge part looks really cool. Oh yeah. Damn, I didn't realize that canal was that big. Like, I'm getting an up close and personal look at stuff I literally pass every fucking day and don't even care about. Like, I don't even bat an eye off to the left or to the, oh shit. Please don't hit me with the sprinklers. This is the one part of the journey that's been a little stressful. These sprinklers got me. If I go a little faster, I might be able to get by this one. Nope, got me. He said, good morning. I found your channel a few months ago when I started Barber School. Love the content. Oh, the Colts. I gotta look into it, man. I don't have TV at home. I gotta look into it. Hold up, I gotta cross like a main intersection here, so I'm gonna see what, oh boy, this is not cool. This makes me a little nervous. Gonna hit the button. I'm gonna go, fuck it. Fuck it, I'm gonna go, looks safe to me. We out. And we out. And they got a stop sign, so hopefully they stop like they're supposed to. And this whole thing worked out perfect until I got here. Go ahead, you do. See, this is the dangerous part of the job, man. YouTubing. Everything worked out good till I got here, but I'm good though. I'm good though. I didn't feel that dangerous. On a skateboard, I've been like almost hit by cars and all kind of stuff like that, so far, this don't really scare me too much. I can't believe it. I'm getting pretty close to work. And I didn't expect to get this far, this fast. So hopefully I'm not late. Like I said, I'll be there 9:30. All right, this is where it gets a little dangerous, because these people, they pull up to make a right and they do not look where they're going. And 10.4 miles. We have 60% battery left. So as far as getting to and from work, I'm pretty sure I could do it because I'm just about here. I only got a little bit to go. I'm getting too carried away. Like, there's no reason for me to go this fast. I'm already almost here. I don't want to get hurt. And we made it, baby. We got 2 or 3 more intersections. I just got here. Ah! Jesus. Should probably look both ways, you know? Fucking bitch. Man. Glad I was filming that. All right, y'all. That hurt, actually. My neck hurts again. Couldn't stop. It's so hard to slow down. But we made it. We're at the shop. And so let's see. Let's see what the whole trip was about. All right, it was 11.5 miles. It's 9:21, so I made it a couple minutes earlier than I thought. It has 55% battery. It was fully charged before I left. And yeah, yo, so let's get started, man. We got a day of work ahead of us. My feet feel like they're on fire. I just want to sit down for a minute. That last crash kind of hurt. Oh, my neck again. Oh well. All right, y'all. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.